Welcome to Mama My Strength Senior Family Care. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. Friends, this video is about taking care of our senior loved ones at home. Gears that senior citizens may need at home. You can buy this type of walkers for your loved ones so that they can easily walk around with the support of the chair, sit at the same time when they wish to, and it has got storage basket below the chair sit. You can also hang in the storage bag. Next is a wheelchair that is very important in our home in case the family member gets sick and it's hard for them to be wheeled or transported. It is very handy when loved ones are unable to stand or walk. This is another type of walker. Normally, senior loved ones who are able to stand up and can walk but needs little stability to balance out, then this is what you can recommend them to use at home. You can also buy this type of storage bag and use it to store senior loved ones food items, water, medical information, things that they might like to take to their doctor's appointment. It's very risky to give a senior loved one shower or bath while they are standing because there is high risk of fall. You might like to prevent this by using a bath chair or a bath bench. You may also require safety handles that is good for kids as well as senior loved ones so that they can easily grab onto to prevent falls while they're using bathrooms. If you have bathroom that is located far away, you might like to use commode and you might like to place this in our senior loved one's room so that they can easily access when they feel like using the bathroom. Bedwetting accidents can easily happen with our senior loved ones. To prevent this, we can always use reusable waterproof bed pad to prevent our loved ones from sleeping onto wet bed. If our senior loved ones are often found falling off bed or often found falling, then one of the prevention would be to use a bedside rail to protect them from falling off the bed. Our senior loved ones will often have weak eyesight, therefore we need to have a night light installed in their room, bathroom and kitchen so that they can easily see things at night. Senior citizens lifting equipment. Rescue Up is a 3-step bench which our senior loved ones can use when they have fallen or are on the floor to slide up to a level when we can help them stand up again. We can use electric patient lift for those loved ones that is paralyzed to help them turn, change, sit, feed. Senior emergency alert system. We can give our loved ones wristband with alert alarm, pendant with alert alarm, or have a pager system inside our house so if our loved one needs us, they can press onto the button and we can reach them on time. Senior communication devices. Buy large touchscreen phones for senior loved ones so that they can easily see the icons on their phone and be able to easily use them so that they can easily communicate with us and feel safe. Tablet for our senior loved one can be very enjoyable at the same time since they will be able to do live video chat with us, do exercises, read books, watch news